So I have ran across a pretty cool deal. My old pressure washer had went out. I saw this and it looked compact, which was what I wanted, and so I picked it up, and it did a great job with cleaning up my gutters and eaves on my house, and also does a real good job cleaning vehicles. So this DEWALT 2100 psi pressure washer is compact, and that's what I like about it, and that's what I wanted, something that didn't take up a bunch of space. It's got storage for the hose, it's got the in and out for the water, and this is the coolest part right here. It's got a little storage spot for lawn parts. See there? And the trigger. It's got the storage for the nozzles right there. So everything's stored right here. And on this side, it's got an electrical cord wound up. So everything's really compact, and it's got kind of like a deal like you have for your luggage to pull it around. Got wheels down here. So this is a 2100 psi model, but they also make, I think, a 32 or a 3400 psi model also. So I've been using this with my phone cannon to wash my vehicles. I think it's really cool, compact if that's what you're looking for. I'll put the links in the bottom like I always do. Have a good one.